Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find language and region. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on language, and as you can see we've just been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do in order to change the language is to tap on it. So let me pick for example French, just tap on it and tap on done in the right upper corner. Now your device is asking if you want to change system language, so all you have to do is simply tap on change to a chosen language, and as you can see from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Just tap on the languages and find again the language you'd like to set, for example this one. And the same situation, the language has been immediately changed. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.